great way to end this day with an awesome tee shot. I'm pretty sure I broke 85 today. It was a really good day. End up teamed up with these two really nice guys. Their game was good. They're a little bit shorter than I am, but that's okay. So golf, you still gotta make that putt. So right now I'm lane 2. And I'm pretty close to the green. So hopefully I'll finish with a birdie and then I'll call it a day. Thank you very much for watching. And I think that might end my series in Canadian golf experience. Thank you very much.